No, sir.
Abasi?
It's affection.
You know that why not love attract to us with our relatives? Only love attract so attract us with the and others. Why it is? Why?
I'm not getting your question. So
I mean that you know that every person will love a lots of and others. Why not with our relatives?
as I said that love is not love is that you like someone very much. Like I like cricket very much, so I love cricket very much. So this means I love cricket. Love is not that we have a negative things in mind that love is just between boys and girls. That's totally wrong. Love is different type of love we have.
Can you give us a perfect example or perfect definition of love?
Love, okay. Love has very strong feeling of affection of towards someone. If you love something, it means you like that things very much. Love is maybe you can do with someone or something. Like I have love, so I love cricket.
Wasim sir, there is we use two type words like and love. If we say like someone and we love someone, is there some difference between these two words or no?
What did you say?
Like and love,
Like and love. Like is also love.
not.
It's also love. Sir.
No, sir.
Means if you like something or someone, if you hate someone, what is this? That's love. That's hate.
The hate and dislike is two other things.
What?
Hate and dislike is two other things.
There's both are like
No, sir.
you hate someone. That means that.
No.
What is difference between love and affection?
Affection means to someone by someone you impress and someone attract you by their personality, by their attitude, by their knowledge. It means that you are affection to him.
If any we are if any girl's personality we like, so we are affecting or we are affecting doing affection to her, or we just do affection to our parents, our teachers, and our relatives like.
I wanna say that and beginning you like them, so like it means you are liking just you are going on his pace. But when you spend your time with her, so maybe you will dislike her.
What? You are not getting my point. If we are liking any girl, okay. So if we are doing affection or we are doing love to her.
Both.
How both? No, these both
Affection is love.
No, no,
Love
no.
is affection. Both.
Sir, Wasim,
Some-
it means I am Hossein and I am also a Sartaj. You are talking about Heraclitus. He gave a theory. If you are, it means and again says minute or again moment. You are not dead. You was. You are give us a philosophy. It's not a philosophical class, and you are using the theory of Heraclitus.
It's Sartaj is Sartaj. If you are teaching like them, so you will be guard.
I am Sartaj.
Yes.
Wasim,
Absolutely. If you are following him, so it will be guard like that.
Can your wife be like your mother?
Huh?
Can your wife be like your mother?
No.
Wasim.
So you are loving your life, but you are doing affection to your mother. So these both things are different.
Different.
I say that we have different kinds of love.
No, sir. One thing is not cannot be like this thing. So these are the difference between these both things. So there are difference between your wife and your mother.
Okay. Let me say that why always I have listened scholars. They always say that the world is thirsty, full of love. Try to spread love. So why they are saying it's mean is not that to love girls, to love everyone. So that means that love is just only to your wife. That's love just
I am just saying that love is not for only wife, but love is for everyone. But the affection is for our parents, our family.
for everyone.
We have difference. You said that these both things are same. I am saying that these both things are different.
How?
Because these are different because your wife cannot be like your mother or your brother or your sister. Because it's your wife.
Nothing.
For suppose you are wanting, you are loving someone and others, okay, and one side is your family and one side is whom do you like, okay, and someone is saying, taking example to you that you have to give up both of them. That whom do you like give up, your family or your lover?
First of all, I will never do that things.
Because you are so blind in the love and your family is not
I
agreeing
will
with you,
never fall
that
like- I will
they
never
are
fall like
stressed
that.
on you that you have to anyhow give up.
I will never fall like that because it's foolishness.
Because love don't come to ask, okay, it is attract of the heart. Then what will you?
Okay, come back to
I will
topic.
like myself.
Come back to the topic. Topic was that if love is blind, why do people not love me?
Sir, I have another question.
You gave the answer that they don't love me, but I love them. Question is not that you love them or you don't love them. Question is that if love is blind, then why do people not love you? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, it's simple meaning that I am not good person. Either talking styles, either face, everything. I am not good things. I am not good human. So that's why people
Yeah,
not
but
like not love
there
me.
are always a different type of a people. Culprits like the culprit. A good man like the good man. Bad man like the bad man.
Sir,
Everybody their own categories.
So I said sir that love. You say that the love is blind. So why people not love me?
Yeah.
So I said that I love you. Every
But
student
this
love
is
me.
not
That
a
is
point.
Question.
Come to the topic. Rather than you say that somebody not love me, I love them, it finishes over. It's not a point. You are a human being. Some way, somehow, your feelings are like a shooting stars.
Sir, it's totally wrong. Love is not blind. We see people and then we fall in love.
No, how can you say that?
Sir, it's true. It's true. I have an example like as I said that I love someone I didn't see him or her. So how can I say that I